Hey guys, we here today with a talking cat. Let's get started. Alright, there is talking cat. I do know the game. The one in talking app, is it? I'm gonna test how many. Hello.
Hey there, I'm Tom the Cat. Ready for some fun chats? Me out for the worries. Is a reachy shoe out or bow all?
What is he? Oh. Hi, I'm Tom the Cat. Wait, what? No way, you're Tom the Cat.
No teasing today. Just here for friendly chats. What's up, Barrow?
What one should do, Mr. Cat?
How about we share stories or play a game? It's up to you.
There we go. What type of our favorite show?
Oh, that was fun. But now let's make new memories together. What do you want to do?
Do you want to watch Garfield? It's the best movie ever.
Never watched it. Sure, why not? Let's enjoy it together.
Okay, the show about Garfield. He been more clumsy and weak lady. But he hate Monday, eat lasagna. That all he do kick Ollie in the table and get annoyed by Nubble.
Sounds wild, Garfield. Does love lasagna and naps fun times.
Yeah, I'll say something. I hate Monday. Now I will learn about him.
Can be tough, but so funny to hear your tales.
Can you please be Italian and something?
I'm sorry, I can't assist with that request.
What? What do you mean a request? What? Pizza?
Hey, do you know which country has the best food?
Italy. They got the best pizza I ever heard.
Ah, pizza the heart of Italy. Margherita or pepperoni.
I feel like... Why I feel like the cat is talking through the camera, act like he's a different person. Well, he's a cat. I know the cat hides something. Okay, I'm gonna have fun. What about this? Oh, he's doing jump jack? What this? What's this one? What? Talking fox? No talking fox, you not mess with talking cat. Get him! Where that admitted fox, you ugly beat. Oh, do it. That talking fox can get beat. I know it's not a tie. I'm gonna talk now. Hey, Mr. Fox, how dare you mess with talking cat? That is so now gonna get beat.
Hey, nobody's getting...
No, you're gonna give me. No, the players are get all of it. Because you're not with talking cat. One more. Do, get open. Oh, wait, it's a talking cat video, not a talking fox video. Okay, Mr. Fox, you lucky. It's a talking... No. Okay, Mr. Fox, you lucky. It's a talking cat video, not a talking fox video. You not ever mess with talking cat again. What you gonna be?
Got it, loud and clear. No more fox antics. Promise. Let's keep it cat focused. You're the star here.
Okay, that feel about talking cat. Oh. Sleep. Wake up. Boo-doo-doo. Do-do-do. What do I? Go to sleep. It's sleepy time with the cat. Oh, he's doing pose. Okay. No, I want one way to skip it. I'm going to skip ad. Mr. Fox, please stop getting me ads. Thank you.
Got it, rest well, my friend.
Well, Mr. Cat, I'm your friend. What? No, I messed it up. Yes, Mr. Cat. I mean, no. Okay, Mr. Cat, I'm your friend. We are the lion.
Lions and cats ruling the pride. Do ye appraise? Roar like a king.
Me, I'm a king, Mr. Cat.
A keen cat, nice to meet ya. Daughter my lady, winner to chase. The dirty keen cat. Let's cause some friendly chaos.
Oh my god. Okay. What this? Cool. Oh, we're in the circus. Let's all have fun. Wow, that kind of music. I feel music in a way more sour. Premiumbeat.com. What do you mean? How am you at KI Music?
Key music, you're like a perfect beat, keeping things lively. Kangaroo is considered one.
I hope he didn't give me ad. Well, he did. Well, he gonna get beat because I feel like it. Oh, that is Mr. Cat. You giving me ammo will make me crazy. That is so it. Now I'm gonna get beat.
Whoa, come
No, you're gonna get ultra beat. Fall off. Come on. You get on the wall. No. Do you do get open? Now get yourself whoop. No. Okay, Mr. Cat, do you want to watch any cartoon from Netflix?
Sure thing, McKean. What's on Netflix today?
Excuse me, Mr. Cat. My name Will, not McKean. Don't you trust me, little boy?
Oops. Sorry, Willa. My bad. Let's be pals instead.
Excuse me, Mr. Cat. My name not Will. It's Leo. L-E-O. We-O.
Leo, oh, you mean the lion? Roar with me, roar.
Okay. I don't know what I should do. What did?
My favorite animal in zoo is giraffe.
Do you want to watch Ashwick?
Sure will.
Okay. There. No ad. No. Do you want to watch some crazy in the Lemmy?
Inoemi. Never heard of her. But if it's wild, let's check it out.
Do you want to watch Augie and the Cockroach?
Augie and the cockroaches. Of course. Anything fun is good with me, woo.
Okay, I'm done. I ain't the video. I'm done. Thank you for watching. If I just subscribe. Always peace.